feel up, you know me all about the business. Girl, I'm a ball for star ball and no skimming. Man, I fuck them girl.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jamoy. In today's video, I'm going to do a brow tutorial on how to do my brows. I don't normally have like my usual brow pencil because it's finished and I don't have a second one. So I went to like Beauty Exchange and got this like brow pencil for like $1. It's not really like a brow pencil. I think it's more like a lip liner pencil, but it's gonna do the job. I hope it does the job. Anyways, let's get into the video, shall we? Oh wait, before we start, subscribe. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Subscribe. Yay! Let's get into the video. All right, guys, let's get started. I already did this brow already, so we're gonna do this one. All right, so I don't know if I'm gonna block you guys. I hope I'm not, but I'm gonna like take the spoolie and like brush it up. And then I do like my brows, I start from the bottom. So you draw your line or your arch from the bottom, and then you like come up. You start up here. You start from the beginning up here, and then you come all the way down. This like pencil is gonna be really difficult. I had like a hard time doing this one because this is really creamy, and I do not like when it's that. I don't like when it's so creamy because it's kind of hard. But I think this one came out good. So again, so start from the bottom down here. You just connecting. You just connecting, and then I start like from right here, because I don't go all the way up. I start from right there and just draw the connection right there. You see it? And then now I'm just gonna fill in. It don't matter if you like mess up on the outside like I did here. It's all right. You're gonna clean it up anyways. So now see like how I started right here at the bottom here. So take the spoolie and just brush it in. I didn't want to like bring it all the way up because this, as I said, the pencil is already creamy. So it's like a creamy pencil already. So I didn't want to like I just gently just brush it up. And you're gonna take now you're gonna clean it up and make it look good. Okay, so you're gonna take whatever like concealer you have. I have like the Kylie Cosmetic concealer, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to clean up the brow. Right. So I'm gonna go in like with my foundation, and just because I have some foundation on my hand, I used the like the Born This Way foundation, and I'm just gonna go up the top so I can blend in with my skin. So I use my foundation for that. When you're doing it, make sure you just take your time, because one little boop and you'll get a cross in your eye. No, you don't want it in your brow. You don't want a little cut in your brow. You just want a perfect brow. So be careful. That's why you take your time. Sometimes it just takes like 30 minutes to do your brows. It's fine. Take as much time needed. Right? So now I'm gonna take my Essence brow and lash mascara gel mascara, and I'm just gonna to keep my hair in place. Just gonna like put it on it, and then to keep like all the hairs from just like put in, they just stay in place. They just stay in place. All right. Okay guys, that's it. All right guys, and that's how you do your brows. I like how these came out. The pencil was kind of hard to work with because it's so creamy, and I really do not like creamy, like especially stuff on my brows, because it makes it very difficult and it does not look good. But it came out pretty good. To me it did. It came out pretty good. I like it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I still have the stuff in my hand. Give the video a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share, and leave your honest comments down below. Until next time, bye.